Now we all guys should take up a moment and accept the fact that smartphones provide us the best level of incredibility. What's up guys, I'm Pranav here, and in this video I'm going to show you 6 incredible uses of your smartphone's camera. So with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go for it.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us.
So number one is that you can use your phone's camera to translate things. Now this comes in a really handy feature if you guys are into traveling and you need to translate something kind of a boards or notice boards. And there are so many apps out there for this, but Google Translator is the minimalistic one. Just open the Google Translator application, click on the camera icon, and yeah, basically you're good to go to translate things. Now, you can translate the text on your object and convert it into text, and can change it, edit it, and can easily share it. So second up is that you can use your phone's camera as a scanner, and what's so special about this app, Text Ferry, is that you could easily convert hard copies of pages into PDF format and easily convert them to text and could edit it. You could barely select the corners and easily convert the page or hard file into black or white scanned file manually. Now this app on the Play Store is the best in doing all those tasks minimalistically. And you could also share it all across your social media and can easily edit the hard copy as it is a soft copy, and this is the minimalistic way of editing a hard copy in a soft format. So third is that you can use your phone's camera to scan QR codes, and what's so special about this is that nowadays all products have a QR code on them. So just scan the QR code through this application, and now basically you can just search the product online, go through website of that product, and can easily share it. And this is the minimalistic way of surfing in 2018. Alright, so fourth is that with your phone's camera you can click 360 degree photos, and yeah, this is not the panorama mode, this is 360 degree photo. With the help of GoogleCardboard camera you can click 360 degree photos, and there's no need of any third party 360 degree highly expensive cameras. And yes, you can just easily create 360 degrees photo with this application. Just fire this application up and click the photo like you click in panorama mode, and just roll 360 degree, and you are basically good to go. And as you can see, this is what the 3D 360 photo looks like. So fifth thing is that you can use your phone's camera to detect the color of any subject and easily get the color code of that particular thing. Now this application on the Play Store named as Colordetector allows you to get the color code of that particular color of which you are pointing your camera towards. And yeah, this is the minimalistic way. Now if you are a photo editor, this comes in a really handy feature to know the color code of each and every color near you, and you can use these colors in your photos. And yeah, just point your camera towards the object of which color you want to pick up, and yeah, it's going to show you the color code, and you can just copy it, or you can just type that color code onto your PC to get that color. And it's a minimalistic way to detect the color. This application link will be in the description below. So let's go into another one. I'm talking about the last and sixth incredible camera hack is the best one. Now if I got this previous year, I would have scored a good percentage. Now this is Photomath, and what this does, that this allows you to solve your mathematical equations through your phone's camera. Just scan the equation, and basically it will give you the answers along with the step. Holy shit, 4 steps for your equation. That is so minimalistic, easy, super dope. Just fire the application up, scan your equation, and get the answer and do all your assignments. So that's it for this video guys. So boys and girls, that was pretty much it for this video. And if you guys liked the video, you know what to do, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and it's Pranav signing out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.